In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT code interpreter to analyze a data set on vehicle accidents. I have ChatGPT Plus, so I have access to this. Now, to activate ChatGPT Plus, you want to go to settings and make sure when you click here, code interpreter is on. Now click on GPT-4 and select code interpreter. Now that code interpreter is selected, there is an option here to upload a file. Then I'll open the data set. Now it's uploading, and this is the data set that we're gonna work with. I just opened this in Excel. You can see crash time, street names, contributing factor, and so on. So we gonna go back to ChatGPT and ask some questions. ChatGPT, at what time are traffic accidents or crashes most prevalent? Okay, so use the CSV file. Okay. It's working. Let's see what we get. And now what's happening in the back end is using Python. He's writing Python script. And this is just amazing. Okay, they are missing value in the crash time column. Okay. It's converting. Okay, now it's giving me the information. This is amazing. Wow. So according to the data, most of the crashes happens from 2 to 6 p.m. and there's a total of 74,058 crashes. Now we can click to show the work. It's showing work. Now this is awesome. Oh, not only that, and it's telling me that this makes sense. It's analyzing the data and completely understanding what's in it. Look at this. This makes sense, as these hours are typically when people are commuting home from work. Raising vehicles can contribute to a higher likelihood of accidents. That's incredible. Now we can do so much more. Now let's find out the top 10 zip codes with the highest frequency of traffic accidents. Okay, so let's see, present the top 10 zip codes with the highest frequency of traffic accident in a bar chart. Let's try. It's working. Let's display some codes. Okay. Oh, there are some missing values in zip code. That's fine. That's a good thing. I mean, ChatGPT will go ahead and clean up the code for us. We'll clean up the spreadsheet and use this spreadsheet to give us the data. Okay, now so now ChatGPT is gonna convert the zip code column to string and then try again. Now you know how much work it would have taken me to do this by hand. Now this is the chart. Now let's see. Let's look at this. The bar chart above display the top 10 zip codes with the highest frequency of traffic accidents. Which zip code is 11207. This is in Brooklyn. So there's definitely a lot of accidents in Brooklyn, according to the data we have. And of course, I'm sure there's a lot of people there. So that can explain why there is a lot of accidents. Okay, so now we're gonna ask one more question, okay? What is the most common contributing factor for traffic accident? Okay, let's see what we get. Wow, look at that. The most common contributing factor to traffic accident, according to the data we have, is inattention, distraction. Of course, people playing with cell phone, replying to text messages, watching YouTube videos. I tend to look at trees when I'm driving, but I don't crash. No, I know what I'm doing. I use data.gov to get that data, and it's a government website, and you can go and download all type of data. ChatGPT code interpreter. I think it's amazing, and I can't wait to see what people do with it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.